The mock trial program helps students get introduced to the legal system.
Can you introduce yourself to the court?
My name is Robin Goods.
Students break down the case. Some of the students act as lawyers and some are witnesses.
It's the most patriotic thing that we can do. Good morning, Your Honor, Counsel. My name is Nyla.
In the context I was using it in, I meant that someone needed to shame them.
No further questions, Your Honor.
I use a lot of the materials provided by the Bar Foundation. Several lawyers in the community, two especially, who have volunteered to work with the students.
Students learn about the law and learn how to interact with the law, and I think this is a great opportunity for them.
It encompasses the real-world experience of being a lawyer with also the competitiveness of a sport.
You learn objections, you learn how to enter evidence, how to address the judge.
I love competing. I play soccer, I do competitive dance. Competing is my life. So when I walk into the courtroom, it's just like a rush.
Lifelong, she already realizes as a sophomore in college that what she learned through mock trial is so much greater than what she ever learned playing a sport.
Not everyone can be a football player, not everybody can be a swimmer, so this is an extracurricular activity that brings other students to the forefront.
We were excited about the opportunity for our daughter to have some experience speaking in front of others.
Walking into a courtroom and having conversations with a judge and with attorneys, you know, high-profile career folks.
Best way of learning is through doing.
As far as like what you can learn, there's no bounds.
And honestly, being part of the team has just been socially very fun for her too.
So they can achieve something individually in their role, but then they have the experience of working as a team.
Mock trial has given me a lot of connections to people I never really thought I would have.
You know, kids not only connect with an adult as a good role model, but then again have a really well-balanced number of experiences in a mock trial team.
You end up gaining friendships that you never thought you would have.
From researching skills, speech skills, debate skills, and then just the confidence that comes with really being accessible to you know, the legal field.
I think the kids get the opportunity to talk to an attorney and somebody that's gone through a lot of schooling, and hopefully that's going to give them some insight as to how they should progress in their careers and what it takes to get to the point that where they want to be.
It's not just being a lawyer, it's more than that.
I think the biggest thing is confidence.
So being in mock trial helps you gain the confidence to have that conversation with somebody that you may have not had them before.
I think critical thinking is the other thing. It's so hard in a classroom to teach critical thinking, and mock trial really, really does that. Whether you're a witness or a lawyer, you have to think on the fly, you have to react.
She has no problem thinking on her feet, no fear of being up in front of people.
I definitely have gained a lot of speaking skills. It's also taught me how to be really assertive, because as a lawyer you have to be assertive in order to get your point across and stuff.
You have to have a level, a very high, I would say, thinking level in order to write. So the more you write, the better you get at it. So I started getting better grades in English and social studies, writing my papers.
We are currently reading Julius Caesar and Romeo and Juliet in my respective classes, and I always take volunteers for reading. And I have noticed the students that are involved in mock trial are much more confident.
They see it as accessible, and they can picture themselves in those fields. It's life-changing.
The best thing about mock trial, I think, would be the experience.
Well, anytime you get an opportunity to help advance someone's education, you should have a great feeling about it.
When they walk in the courtroom, their confidence and the things they've learned.
And this has really helped her bond with the team.
The experience, you just want to try something new. I'd say definitely go for it. You develop friendships with people that you never would have talked to outside of mock trial.
Single-handedly, it's the most valuable extracurricular activity my kids ever did in high school.
Honestly, one of the most rewarding things I've ever done.
It's a great opportunity for whether you're a litigator, you're a tax attorney, or a family law attorney, be involved.
It's an all-around amazing extracurricular activity.